If you have ever wondered how to set up your own food photography studio at home, this might be the video for you. Hello, my friends. Today I am going to take you behind the scenes of my new and improved, I guess, home mini studio and office. I have a studio outside of my home that is a lot larger, that I use for a lot of commercial shoots and other photography. But now that I'm doing so much more recipe development and photography for clients, plus obviously this YouTube channel, I really needed something very close to my kitchen, but equipped with all the proper lighting, setup, and fun things that I use for food photography. So today I am taking you on a tour, one of the bedrooms in my home, and I will show you exactly what I've done and what I've set up. So let's go. As we open the door into my office, so we're gonna start on this side. I've got a cabinet here just for storage. You can see my camera equipment, the Silly Kitchen maple bacon candles that I have, my little wheels that I use, extra camera gear, lenses, a bottle of water, you know, things for storage. And then as we move around, this is my computer setup and desk, list of things to do. And then we get into the fun stuff. So over here, I have this shelving unit that fit perfectly with cookbooks, plates, different cutting boards and accessory boards for my photo shoots. I've got more plates, and I've got tons of room here to keep building my collection of different accessories and plates to use for photo shoots, because you really want to have a nice variety of different colors and textures to use. If you saw my do-it-yourself backdrop video where I made my own food photography backdrops, these will look familiar. So I've just kind of put them in between my shelving unit and the wall for storage so that I can easily access them, get them in and out. And then over here by the window, it's very bright. Let me turn this down a bit. As you know, I prefer natural light for food photography, so I have my setup right by the window so that I can easily put any board. I just have an old kind of a, I guess it used to be like a microwave stand maybe. And I'm just using that as a tabletop. It has a storage availability in it as well. And then I can put any of those backdrops onto the tabletop by the window. And then of course I already have my reflector set up to bounce the light back from the window light onto whatever it is that I'm shooting. And right now I just have a different backdrop there from a shoot that I was doing a couple minutes ago. Now the one thing with natural light photography is that it is not always perfect. There are sunny days and gloomy days. So I do have my curtains currently drawn back because we have a perfect lit day today, but I do have blackout curtains sitting there in case I need to black out bright, harsh light, or in case I want to use flash photography because I'm just not happy with the natural light setup. And here's the setup from the other side. As you might see, there is some barn board in behind there, and that's actually pretty cool because it's a brand new sliding door that my dad actually built for me out of barn board from my studio, and that way now it also can act as an additional backdrop. I'm actually pretty obsessed with this door because it is so functional. I don't have to open and close a door, it just slides. And it gives me so much more space. I can put stuff on the floor there. There's some extra lighting equipment I have. But then that whole corner I can move around, maneuver, I can put other backdrops up behind. It's just so much more functional and, in my opinion, beautiful. Maybe you found some tips along the way on the tour today. Maybe this inspires you to set up a little nook and corner in your home to have some better lighting, better equipment, and a perfect setup for all of your food shots too. Thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button. Lots of recipes, fun, silly videos and food photography tips along the way on The Silly Kitchen. Till next time!